I lift
Hi,
it
Junior
up.
Putti.
Mommy.
You didn't finish your lunch bag again?
No.
You know Munch is such a good boy. He always finishes lunch bag.
Wait. Mark goes to school now?
Yes, today was his first day to school. My Golu Polo going school.
Wait. So, so he can talk?
Yes, he can talk.
For real?
But naughty boy not telling Masi. But he's talk. You're going to have a lot of fun with him, don't?
And Danish.
And Danish, yes. So how was your school today?
Great and also bad.
Great. And not so bad.
A
Okay.
little bad.
But why you don't finish your snacks? Huh?
I saved it for my second lunch time.
You saved it for your second lunch time. And you still don't finish it.
Because it's time to go.
Oh. Naughty Putti. आज बहुत ही स्पेशल डे है. टुडे इज फादर्स डे, सो वी आर मेकिंग समोसास.
Wait, is that a samosa?
Yes.
Can I have one?
And a Rasmalai cake. और ये कलर का पैकेट है जो मैंने अमेज़ॉन से मंगाया है, और उसमें मैं ये येलो कलर यूज़ करने वाली हूँ विथ माय रसमलाई एसेंस. और यहाँ जूनियर फादर्स डे कार्ड बना रहा है, बट उससे बन नहीं रहा है, सो ही इज़ गेटिंग फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड अपसेट.
It's on it. It's supposed to open like this.
Oh,
Like this.
let me see. No, Junior, you're not fail. This looks so nice. This is so pretty.
Mommy, but I did what it said, but it didn't even work.
That's okay, why you're crying? That's fine. See, it's working. Alright, just go and follow the instructions.
But it's not going up.
That's alright. At least we reach halfway. So that's fine. Just go and follow the instructions and complete your card.
Am I supposed to start over?
No, don't start over. Just fix the same one. That's alright, that's it. See? It's so nice. Amazing. Junior, just don't get disappointed and go and continue making your card.
This is not going.
That's alright though. Just go and follow the instructions. Although you're trying to make this.
Mommy, but it's supposed to have a bigger one. It's supposed to have a bigger line.
Because your page is too thin. So that's fine. Don't cry. I'm sure you tried your best, right? You gave your best, and I can see that.
An outfit.
That's fine. Just go and write, I love you, Daddy. Happy Father's Day, and that's it. You just stop crying. You're not failed. Come on, try it. Junior, it's alright. Come on, you can do it. Okay? Okay, Junior? Yes. How it look?
Good.
Good. Our Rasmalai cake is ready.
Yes.
Why you love icing so much?
Icing. Cause it's better than the cake.
Icing is better than the cake.
Better than a plain cake. Oh wait. Chakuan.
That's your cake. You like it? Rasmalai cake.
I love it.
I like it too. That one's ready. Let me cut them off. It's loose. Then cut the egg. You should cut the egg out.
Come.
There's no cream for you. No cream for you.
How's it?
Very nice.
Yeah?
Love it. Take.
Can I get one slice for me?
थोड़ा खाओ पार्टी में भी जाने का है
What?
हाँ पार्टी में जाने का है, आज बर्थडे पार्टी में जाने का है.
Stuck again.
जूनियर तक.
There you go. Jonas! Mommy was...
जोनस नहीं कर यार.
You're gonna make me fall off, Mommy. Jonas! I guess you stop. Stop.
जूनियर चढ़ता क्यों है तू? Get down.
He's heavy. He's trying to tickle me. You're about to fall, Mom. Get up. How long are you gonna be there?
Get down, Junior.
I can't.
You can't.
Have fun.
Why?
Because I'm stuck.
अटक गया.
हाँ,
बोल मैं अटक गया.
मेरा तकिया.
अटक गया.
Say whatever mommy says. In Hindi.
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शतबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परं ब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दन दीपहृतु पापाम दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते.
Thank you God for your
No,
happiness.
God for the happiness, all good health and prosperity in my life. Thank you God for keeping everyone around me happy and safe. God, please make
people thanks for me to get good grades. And please make me pass my and please make my reports be 100.
God, please make my reports be 100. God, please make me think right and make me do the right thing. God, please make nothing happen to our family. God, please say that I will get good marks and good grades.